Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue in respect of the assessment in respect of those assessees whose material has been found in the search of another assessee. In the present case, the issue before the court was that whether the assessment of the assessee should be done under section 148 or 153C. This issue has been taken by the Honorable Rajasthan High Court in the case of Shyam Sundar Khandelwal versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 471 ITR at page number 45, and the date of the judgment is 19th March 2024. In the present case, a search was conducted on an assessee. In the search of that assessee, some incriminating material was found relating to some other assessee. And on the basis of that material, the revenue issued the notice to the assessee under section 148. The assessee was challenging this notice in the writ court by saying that section 148 is not applicable to the assessee, and in any case, if the notice is to be sent to the assessee, that notice should have been sent to the assessee under section 153C. When the court heard the matter, the court said that prior to searches between the period 1985 to 1997, the assessment of such cases was also done under section 148. But those searches which were conducted during the period 1985 to 1997, the sections were applicable 153B to 158BG. After that, section 153A and 153C procedure was introduced, which is applicable to the assessee in the present case. And as all we know that at present, that is after 1st April 2021, again the assessment under section 148 read with section 147 is to be done in case of the such matters also. So from where the revenue has started way back before 1985, now the department has come on that footing at present also. But in the present case, it was the viewpoint of the court that section 153A to 153D operate in different fields, and the court said that section 153A and 153C starts with non-obstantive clause, and the court said that it is also a trite law that the special provisions prevail over the general provisions. Now, section 148 assessment and read with section 147 read with section 143 are general assessments, but section 153 assessment, that is the assessment of the assessees whose documents are found in the search of the other assessees, are special provisions and they should be governed by that. Since in the present case, the assessee case was reopened under section 148 in spite of section 153C, because it was apparent from the record that the assessee's documents have been found in the search of the other assessee. So the case of the assessee has been taken up under section 153C in spite of section 148. So on this jurisdictional ground, the Honorable Rajasthan High Court quashed the notice under section 148 and said that the proceedings are void ab initio in the case of the assessee. Friends, this case is very important from the point of view is that I have seen in my practice that whenever some notices come to the assessee and sometimes the professional also starts giving the reply to the revenue without challenging the technical grounds whether the assessing officer has the power to issue the notice in that section or not. So at the same time, we should also challenge the notices on the technical and the legal grounds also. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Shyam Sundar Khandelwal versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 471 ITR at page number 45, and the matter has been decided by Rajasthan High Court, and the date of the judgment is 19th March 2024. Thank you, friends.